Hey, do you have a dent or crease on your motorcycle tank? Check out this quick video and see what we can do to help you here at U-Dent iFix. No one wants to spend thousands of dollars on a beautiful motorcycle that's a piece of art, only to have a nasty dent on the fuel tank. Or maybe it's not a valuable bike, but a sentimental piece that was handed down. Whatever the case may be, your tank may not need to be repainted. At U-Dent iFix, we specialize in paintless dent repair on all types of vehicles, including motorcycles that traditionally have much thicker steel. Because of the thicker steel, it requires different tools than those we use on cars and trucks. We also require that the tank be removed and drained before we can securely mount it to our tank vise. Once it's mounted, we can put as much leverage as we need to put the metal back into place. Maybe you are not local to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. No problem. We offer specific instructions on how to mail your tank to us. Once the repairs are completed, we simply mail it back to you in the same container. Again, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at 817-864-8888 or visit us on our website at udentiFix.com.